Hello, my name is Maria Miller from mathmammoth.com. In this lesson we're gonna study some drawing problems. My first problem is draw a parallelogram with 110 degree and 70 degree angles and 30 centimeter and 18 centimeter sides. Okay, all of my information is given there basically because in a parallelogram, let me sketch one here. Okay. If this is the 70 degree angle, then this also will be 70 degrees. And then if this is 110, then that also is 110. And then if this is 30, then the opposite side is also 30. And the same for 18 here, okay? So it looks like all my information is given here, and I can just get started by, for example, drawing the 30 centimeter side, after which I can draw those two angles, and then measure the 18 centimeter sides. So, 30 centimeters, and then measure the angles. Now, okay, would I put the 70 degree angle here or here? That's the one thing that's not specified in this problem. But it turns out that if I put it here, and then if I drew another one, where I put the 70 degree angle in the other corner, it turns out these two will be like mirror images of each other. So let me put the 70 degree angle just here. 70 degrees coming here. Okay, and then I would measure here 18 centimeters. And then the 110 degree angle here. And again measure 18 centimeters. And now draw in the last side. Okay, all done with that. And in all of these problems we need to think if, with the information given here, we can draw only one unique shape, or if we could draw several. Like in this case, I could have drawn another parallelogram where it would have had a 110 degrees here and 70 degrees here. It would have been slanted the other way, so to speak, but otherwise identical. And even if I had chosen 18 centimeters here and 30 here, it would have been as if this had been turned standing up. Okay, let's think here. Draw a rhombus with 25 centimeter sides. Can I draw just one, or can I draw several different ones? I'm going to show you a method to draw a rhombus using a compass. This compass is already set so that the radius here is 25 centimeters. And I will basically choose a point here and then draw a circle or a circle line. And now this is my one vertex here. And if I choose 2 points here, then this point is at 25 centimeter distance from here, and this point here also. But here I have lots of choices, don't I? I could choose my 2 points here and here, or here and here, or anywhere on this arc of a circle. So if I put one here, I have zillions or an infinite number of choices for my points. Then the fourth point of the rhombus is somewhere here, but it has to be 25 centimeters from this one and 25 centimeters from this one. So I'm going to draw 2 more circle lines. First, centering here, and then centering here, and where they cross is the fourth vertex of the rhombus. Okay, and I'll just draw the sides in. There is my rhombus, and like I noted, I can draw infinite number of different rhombi with 25 centimeter sides. Draw a trapezoid with 75 degree and 60 degree base angles and 28 centimeter base. Here I wrote out the question, can you draw several different ones or not? Is this enough information so that you would only be able to draw a unique trapezoid? Okay, I'm gonna sketch it here again. It tells us the base angles, and the trapezoid basically, it has 2 parallel sides, okay? Something like that. So we know this and this, those 2 base angles. We know this also, it has to be 28 centimeters, so I can get started with that information. Put the 28 centimeters here on the bottom. And then a 60 degree angle and then the 75-degree angle. Okay. So can I draw just one or several different? Again, the answer is that I could draw several different ones, because I could put the fourth side here, or here, or here, or here, or here. Just as long as it is parallel to this one, okay? So for example, here would be a trapezoid, but I could draw many different ones. Lastly, draw a copy of this kite. Okay? Now, one way to draw a copy of a kite or any polygon, if you have a polygon you need to draw a copy of it, you could measure this angle here, and measure all the angles, measure all the side lengths, and then start drawing. You know, first draw an angle and then measure the side lengths, and draw this next angle and measure this side length, and so on and so on. But being a kite, there is actually a different way, a clever and easy way to do it without having to measure any of the angles there. And that has to do with these red lines. They form right angles here, okay? They are perpendicular lines. So I could actually draw these two red lines over there and then just connect the points to make the kite. And to draw these two red lines, I just measure how long they are. Okay, that's 9.5 centimeters. This one is past 30. And 34.5 centimeters. So over here, I'm gonna draw 34.5. And then one more thing I need to measure here is this distance here. That's 8.5. So over here is where I need to put the other line. And this one is going to be 9.5. Half of that would be 4.75 centimeters, and it has to be at the right angle. So I'll draw a long line first and then measure for almost 5 centimeters. Like that. And now I have the 4 points ready that define the kite. And just draw in the sides. There, the kite is ready. And we are all done with this lesson.